Okay, this is a top load washer by Speed Queen. Model number is AWN432SP111TW01. This is not the 2017 model. One of the first things that you can notice on this control panel is that there's no normal eco. So this is before the normal eco that I remember. So I've been selling Speed Queens for about 3 years, and all the ones we sold had like a normal eco, so this one doesn't have it. So we're going to do like a heavy duty wash here. Load size. We're going to do extra large. Extra rinse we're going to leave off. And the water temperature setting is going to be set to warm. And today we're going to wash the 5 pair of jeans. There's still some dirt on those jeans from the last wash we did, so we're going to try it in this one. This washer came from an animal clinic that was really in bad shape when we got it, as far as dog hair and stuff like that, or animal hair. I'm not sure what kind it was, but there was it was just everywhere. We took the front panel off and it was just full of hair, and so we took it to a car wash and kind of sprayed it down. Took it all apart, took the electrical components out, the electrical components out, and then we sprayed, power washed it pretty much. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to put some soap in. 1 second. Okay. So they sold this. I mean, they bought a new washer. They bought the TR3 model, and this was the haul-away. And of course, I didn't want to toss it out. I just wanted to kind of I put it in the shop to kind of see what was wrong with it. Basically, it was just the belt. The pump was kind of jerry-rigged a little bit. Some bolts were missing, but we pretty much got it back together. Everything looks like it's testing okay. So we're so far no complaints with the other washer. The TR3 is doing fine for them, and they do work the heck out of their machines. So we'll get this thing loaded up and try it out. We're shooting this in 60 frames per second. This is the dirt left over from the other wash when we did the AWN 82. And see, that's still kind of dirt on there. All right. This one looks like it does fill up a little bit slower than the current models. One of the things I noticed is this top part up here is a little bit different. The way it fills up. You can tell by this. This is. Let me see if I can get in there. The older models had these two little round marks right here. And also, on this model, if the tub is pulled forward like this, it's not going to leak water. Okay, on the 2017, 2000, I think that even the 2018 models, if you pull the tub forward, this waterfall will hit the edge of the tub, and some of the water will fall into the tub, and some of the water will fall on the floor. So you have to be careful that you don't have the machine or the tub tilted too far when it's filling up with water. This mechanism's not centered very well, so I gotta see what's going on there. But this is a very heavily used washer. Probably not going to resell this machine because it's, you know, there's a lot of miles on this washer for sure. And it still kind of reeks. If you want to add more water, all you have to do is turn the load size. Let me get this right. For some reason, the AWN432 models didn't fill all the way up to the top like the AWN92 and AWN82 models. So when you have those electronic models, when you hit a large load, it will go all the way up to the top. And on this model here, it will not for some reason. But you can hold the switch to the right, the load side switch to the reset position, and it will fill up. On the AWN432, the 2017 model, it will stop right about here automatically, and it'll just stop filling. And then when you let go of the switch, it will start to wash. This one here doesn't stop, so this will overfill if you're not careful. No, I'm not sure what's going on here. Sounds like a motor. Wow. Sounds bad motor, guys. Yep. Oops. Well, that was a dud.